Blurring effects in PowerPoint are not merely for aesthetic value, but they also play a strategic role in enhancing your PowerPoint presentation. Now, blurring can also help in creating a cleaner look by softening the background, allowing your main subject to stand out. So if you're wondering how to do that, you can keep watching on this video. So to start, open up your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, then start by selecting your image, click Picture Format tab, then choose Artistic Effects. There, the blur option awaits to transform your slide within a simple click. Now once you have kicked off the blurring process with the built-in tools, tailoring the intensity sets your slides apart. Now by selecting the image and clicking Artistic Effects options under Artistic Effects in the Format tab, you will reach the magic wand, which is the Radius tab. Now in here, you can play with the blur's radius and intensity, giving you the power to fine-tune the effect until it's just right for your slide's purpose. But if you want to precisely blur a part of an image, you can open your slide, select your image, then draw a shape over the area to blur, right-click on the shape, pick Format Shape, then choose Fill, and opt for Solid Fill, adjusting the color if needed. Now after that, slide the transparency level until you've achieved the desired blur effect. Finally, right-click on the shape and the image to group them, ensuring that they move as one. Now this blend of shape and transparency gives you control over the precise areas of emphasis. So that's how you can blur images in your PowerPoint presentation in your Microsoft computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.